going, okay, I don't want to hit that. Sand is a bad thing. Let's see where we want to put this thing. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Great job. That's awesome. Good job, homie.
I think you blew the soot out of it. Grandma can drive that one again.
Yeah. That was awesome. You know, mine's gonna be boring sometimes. All right, everybody. Our next contestant is Damien from M&M in his 1971 Dodge Dart 4-door. Everyone, tell them to let it rip. Smoke up if you got 'em. Where do we go? Where do we turn this thing hard hit?
The marks out there, you don't know.
Too much speed. You got it. Oh, really? Before it was okay, that one feels like shit. Hey, man.
Yeah, you got Cheetos.
I can do a donut. But walking.
Offshore tire doesn't smell so good.
So I'm really surprised. Blake is the only person who has gone after like wonderful high-point section.
Perfect.
It's the
All right, everybody, our next contestant, it is the Dirty Hippie from X3 Productions, V-8 Dark 4-door. Yeah, let's go!
What?
Hey, I say burn, you say out.
What?
Burn! I say burn, you say out. Burn! Burn! Let's go!
Oh, we saw the dirt. Yeah, dirt don't hurt.
We're seasoned now. I can lay out.
Oh, I think he lost the money shot. He's stuck under his car. Give it up for Bad Tree Production.
Yeah!
Give it up for the Dirty Hippie.
Yeah!
I definitely see. That's right. Leaving a mess. Getting out of here. He definitely got into the grass.
Oh, he did blow the tires. Nice.
All right, everybody, our next contestant is Austin from Daddy's Money's Garage in the 1971 Plymouth Valiant, the junkyard jet, and he wants everyone to know that he went boating with Whistle Diesel. Give it up for Austin! Let's go, buddy!
He's gonna break up. Use your right foot. this time.
I think we're ready for our next contestant here. It's going to be Blake from Bad Tree Productions. Can he beat the Dirty Hippie? Can he beat Austin? Well, we're going to find out here right now.
Get Blake, do it.
The Nacho Cuda. Let's see if it can turn that thing into nacho cheese.
Ooh. Front pace some tires. I think this may be very interesting. Lost a little fuel, lost a little fuel. He's coming back, Tim. Don't you worry, that ain't him. The Grinch is not stealing Christmas anymore. The float bowl.
Fun fact, Blake was my consultant on the Burnout pit.
Oh, okay.
I'm dead serious. I called him while I was measuring this.
Here we go from round two.
It was there yesterday.
Oh, was it? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Literally, when I was measuring this off, I called
You
Blake.
calling him?
I'm serious. I said, hey man, what do you need? I said, what do you need in a good Aussie Burnout pit size to put on a show and a half? And he told me.
Okay.
I gave it to him.
Is everybody having fun? Let's keep this fun rolling. Do we have somebody else coming in there?
I do believe we do. I think it's from Roland from Torque Race Productions and that rowdy Camaro.
Oh my goodness. That thing is beyond right.
He's running to fire it up right now. Everyone tell him to get his butt down there and get that Camaro out there now. Go get it.
Get on that shit.
So who do you think so far? Who do you think has it in your head? Who do you
I'm gonna
think
go to the
is
bathroom.
winner so
Okay.
far?
All right.
You guys like the hippie?
Yeah.
Hippie's pretty good. But Blake was more violent. Hippie did the smoke. But Blake was violent.
Blake's was pure carnage.
Yeah. You remember measuring this out? You know who I called, dude.
For sure we're all winning.
I called Blake. Like, hey man, yeah, what do we need? What do you think?
I want to
His
give a
half of it.
massive shout out to Irish Outlaw Garage. Without him, you wouldn't
I
hear
hope
me.
so. His head will
You
fit.
wouldn't hear anything.
He was like, can I do it without it?
We're still